there's a possibility of seeing a 20x gains in Solana. Five by five, living here in Dubai, doing well. Actually, we're going to be going to the blockchain live, and I'm going to be speaking there on a panel, and it's going to be an interesting day for me. And yeah, I'm going to have some fun, and we're going to be talking about the news and telling you what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like winding up for a big rise up. Same with the Solana, and we're going to talk about that in today's episode. Also, we're going to show you how to trade this. Also at bybit.davincij15.com. Links is in the description below. Also, make sure you get your ID at ns.davincij15.com. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my new setup here. It's still work in progress. It's not quite finished. Got my I told you so right here, right? Got your Bitcoin over on this side, sorry. And the DaVinci J15's neon light. Hope you're enjoying it, right? I'm actually using a iPhone camera to record this on, and yeah, it's much better than what I'm using. That I think it's better than the expensive camera which I can show you right here. This gargantuan thing, like what unnecessary roughness. Alrighty. So let's get on to the degen for today. Orc, wow, we are at 83 million market cap. Oh no, we're down a little bit because everything went down last night. I don't know why everything collapsed a little bit, but Orc is finding its way out of this trenches here. Where as it you see it, we were dipping heavily and then came back up, dipped again, and now we found a bottom. And so it's trying to retest the lows here before it goes nuclear. Waffles, same thing, trying to find the lows. It is not breaking its ultimate lows, and it's going to go a lot higher. So there's your advantage. Ooh, no. Pepe broke an important line in the sand. Let's see if we can just bring this down a little bit. I don't know if that's, maybe you could say that's the line, I guess. Right, because there was a little bit of an emitting pattern here happening. So maybe that's the line because, we can see some touch points, more touch points here. And, yeah, so there we go. So let's see if that is the actual line in the sand for Pepe. Okay, let's go on to the news for today, right? You can find all these news links in my public Telegram group. I provide them every day, Monday through Friday. Okay. Trading bots on Solana did 427 million in volume this Saturday. That's the most trading bot activity in 261 days. 4 million fees paid in a single day. Massive. Yes, the meme coins are back. Okay. Let me just talk about that in a later time. Solana charts cup and handle position sold prices for potential 2,000% rally. Sold prices is painting a near perfect cup and handle pattern, price targeting around 4,500. Jesus, let's see here. What's he got here? Where is this cup? Oh, ooh, this is a lot longer. So yeah, look at that. Damn, G. Damn. Is that like okay, so it's a log chart. So he's saying logarithmically we are going to 4,500 logarithmically. Let's see. It's not out of the question because of the amount of money that's going to be coming in for Bitcoin that will be spilt into the meme coins heavily. So be ready. Be ready. Don't laugh at that. Don't laugh. Minneapolis Fed releases a paper pushing for Bitcoin ban or tax to maintain deficits. Okay. In a working paper recently published by Minneapolis Feds in October 17, governments urged to either legally prohibit the trade of Bitcoin or enact Bitcoin taxes if they want to maintain the permanent slavery of the population. Okay? Permanent slavery of the population. not primary deficits, permanent slavery of the population. Okay? I want you to understand that that's what it means. Why? Well, because if they can borrow money from the Federal Reserve, right, which creates it out of nothing, and then charges them interest, which ensures your slavery, which the government like forces a tax at a point of gun, that ensures your slavery forever. Try to understand that, right? If you can't read between these lines, you will remain a slave for the rest of your life, right? And you'll deserve it, right? Because you deserve exactly what you're willing to do, right? You're willing to accept taxes, well, you're willing to accept being a slave. And then you deserve being a slave. That's just the way it is. European investors pour a record $105 billion into US Bitcoin ETFs. Meanwhile, BlackRock's $26 billion pitiful Bitcoin ETF crowded fast growing fund. Oh my goodness. Damn, it's just BlackRock with it's measly 26 billion. Right? Oh damn. Wow. Bitcoin hash rate hits an all-time high, boosts network security. That means Bitcoin is now even more secure than ever before because there's so much more crypto enthusiasts who are supporting the network and showing that Bitcoin cannot be rolled back at all. All the transactions can't be changed in the past. That's what this actually does, right? Okay, the lowest search interest since 2020. 5 things you need to know about Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin, wow, it's people searching for it, has been extremely low. It bounced back to the 69,000, but it's recently fallen off, right? And this is a good sign, right? Because this is near the bottom. We are at bottom levels, right? And as soon as we break up to above the 79,000, that's it. Goodbye. See ya. Adios, muchachos. Wouldn't want to be ya. All right, Apex. You know, I'm a supporter of Bybit, and Bybit has their own decentralized exchange, and this Apex token, which is used with incongruent with the decentralized exchange. If you buy this token and you know stake it, right, you will get the actual discounts on trading and on the decentralized exchange, and on top of that, earn money, because this is how you would earn wealth off of the exchange fees, right? So, for example, right, as a decentralized exchange, it doesn't mean that Bybit gets all the money. No, it doesn't work that way. It's whoever owns the tokens, right, and uses those tokens, right, to earn trading fees, that they are the ones who bonus out. That's how it works. So that's why I if you want to get to some of this token, I think you'll see it explode in the coming future as decentralized exchanges, since, you know, governments might listen to this, right? And decentralized exchanges are going to be the future. So be ready, be ready. That's why if you own some of the decentralized exchange tokens, you will do extremely well in the future, because they will come hard governments in the future. Okay. Yeah. So remember to sign up at bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Ooh, look at that. Looks like we could come back for an entry position. Let's see if that's the case here on this Trading Different. You can find it. I think you can access Trading Different. Let's just see it here at td.davincij15.com and get 10% off. Yeah, there you go. You'll get 10% off your trading by signing up to Trading Different today. Okay, the td.davincij15.com. Got it all written out for you. Okay. Ooh, look at all that juicy liquidity that's going to be eaten up in the next little while. So right into, let's see here, might not be right into our what's it called, entry zone, because our entries I think is a bit lower. Yeah, in the 64. 64K. Okay, right here. Interesting. So maybe this level might be the right entry level. Jesus. Because we're still seeing that. But you know what? expand our stop loss instead. And there we go. And this way we're safe. There's no chance. And there we go. And that's it. The stop loss is pretty heavy, though. It's about, how much percentage is that? That's 4%. So it's not much. You can't go heavy on the leverage. So maybe you might want to buy a little bit more and keep buying into this so that your percentage losses can be the lowest, low as possible. So you put in a little bit money entry and then keep buying all the way in, all the way down, and then stop it out at this level. So yeah, that would be the safest thing to do. Okay. And then let's see if this thing takes us to a rocket ship ride. Wait, so let's take a look at Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum, like I said, was going to back off from here. I didn't see it going up all the way to the $2,800 level. I said the 27-ish area is where you were targeted, and that's where we hit. Exactly as predicted. All right, let's quickly take a look at Sol. Well, if this is part of the handle, man, this thing breaks out. Sweet. Beautiful. Excellent. We're going to see. I think it's coming. It's coming. Just a matter of time. But then this thing just explodes higher above the $200 mark, and then it's like, adios muchachos. We're heading to like $800 on Solana. So make sure you hold on tight to your Solana because it's coming. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did. I'm going to be doing some configuring. I want to do a video with Mr. M on Mr. M's podcast. I want to do a live stream on Mr. M's podcast. So I'm going to try to get that done. It will be recorded. So head over to Mr. M podcast. Just type that into search and you'll find it. And yeah, we'll see you guys there. Cheers.